Hey there everyone, I'm Dana, and I'm really excited to introduce you to one of our fresh new fragrances for the fall and holiday season, Rosemary Sage. With a fresh botanical character bolstered by an infusion of essential oils, Rosemary Sage is a true-to-life scent that's true to its name. It opens with top notes of cooling eucalyptus and pine, before revealing a heart of green florals and rosemary, while earthy sage and cedar lend this fragrance an enticingly woodsy base. Rosemary Sage is a versatile fragrance we can easily see as the centerpiece for an apothecary-themed candle or body care line, or a rustic farmhouse collection. We embrace that rustic feel with a simple label design for our Rosemary Sage soap bar, loving the way the craft paper contrasts with the color of our Kelly green soap dye. With Rosemary Sage, the possibilities are endless, so snag a sample to try it out for yourself. And don't forget to share what you think with us and with other makers by leaving a review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.